Hey YouTube, welcome back to Otaku Disciple. Today we have some work to do and take care of on the RX-7. We're going to be working on dropping the fuel tank so that way we can get it cleaned up and refurbished, and then we're going to take the fuel lines out so we can run new ones for the new engine build. Alright, so this is what we got. We have our fuel line that I already cut, and our return line that I already cut, and a breather so that way the tank can replace fuel that's been used with air. I already cut all three of these the other day when I took the fuel hat and I guess pump holder and assembly and sending line and all that stuff out. My engine builder, he's gonna work on that for me and get new 6AN fittings on it, put the new fuel pump that we ordered on it and stuff like that, so I can just drop it back in and hopefully hook it up to new fuel lines later on. So we're gonna disconnect all this stuff. I got one off already, and we're gonna disconnect this dude right here, so that way we can, I guess, completely detach the fuel tank from the car. I do think I'm gonna try to drop the tank with the fuel in it, just so that way I can manage everything better. I don't want to spill anything, so let's go ahead and start. Okay, so we got the fuel tank out. It's disgusting. We're gonna go ahead and pour it out into that bucket so that way the fuel that's left over into it can evaporate, and then I guess I'll just show you guys like kind of like what it looks like without the fuel tank. It's nothing special. It just looks like a fuel tank shaped dent in the car. That's literally what it looks like. So yeah, it's like super rusted in a bunch of different spots, and the fuel doesn't feel like fuel. It feels like disgustingness. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and turn this thing over so we can pour all the fuel out of it, or what used to be fuel. Oh. Well, that don't look like fuel. That's not 91. That looks like diesel, almost, or root beer, or whatever the fuck that is. Oh my god. Yeah, it's disgusting, right? It smells disgusting. Oh, I totally could have let this out into a bucket. That was like almost no fuel in here. No wonder why the car didn't start. So, we got the fuel tank out. Looking at it, it's got a lot of rust in it. We're gonna try to make it work. We're gonna do a vinegar and water solution wash to get rid of all the rust and dissolve it, maybe overnight or however long. I'm gonna do some research on it and kind of like try to time it as best as I can, and consult the builder too. He has a lot of experience, so that way we can try and reuse it, because these are like almost $700 new. I don't want to pay $700 for a tank, especially when I can get a fuel cell for like $200. But the thing with the fuel cell is trying to fit it and make everything work together. I don't want to overcomplicate the car either, so in terms of simplicity, it's probably better to just reuse this. This exhaust right here, buddy, let me tell you.
That's too dark.
Oh, it's too dark.
Here.
That's okay. The car has a Borla exhaust, like dual Borla exhaust, and it's really cool. It goes all the way through. The way they have it is hanging on like a rubber bungee or a piece of rubber thing. I don't think that's how it should be. But yeah, has a few little goodies that I'm seeing. It's kind of dirty, but it's still in good condition for the most part. So that was pretty sweet to find out while I was under there that I have a nice exhaust. Hey guys, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Come back and visit us next time, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications.